Station, Kauai. Civil Defense reports that Kukio Highway is closed in Honolulu due to flooding, and is also closed near Lumahai due to a landslide. Numerous road closures are reported in Koloa, with the road closure near Kapana Bridge in Kapake. Locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Ainawa, Wainiha, Napali State Park, Moloa, Waialua, Princeville, Kilauea, Kapake, Honolulu, and Donahola. A flash flood warning means flash flooding is imminent or occurring in streams, roads, and low-lying areas. Move to higher ground now. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or on foot. Turn around, don't drown. Runoff from this storm may also cause rock and mudslides and steep terrain. This warning may need to be extended beyond 11:45 a.m. if flash flooding persists. This is KBA 99 at Honolulu.